third, Magnificent, and Titan Assure is bringing up the rear. Schematic by half a length, followed by Hold Above by the Rail in second. Magnificent remains in third by 3.5 lengths. Titan Assure moving up on the outside, and Petrus Blank. And rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Hold the Bubbly, the favorite, by a length, followed by Schematic on the outside in second. It's still Hold the Bubbly, Schematic, and Titan Assure now moving up on the farther outside. Magnificent by the Rail and Petrus Blank. And into the home stretch, it is still Hold the Bubbly in the lead. Magnificent moving up on the inside. Titan Assure on the farther outside. Schematic and Petrus Blank. It is still Hold the Bubbly in the lead, followed by Titan Assure on the outside. Titan Assure on the outside, Hold the Bubbly by the Rail. Hold the Bubbly by the Rail. Titan Assure on the outside, but it's still Hold the Bubbly. And finally at the payoff line,
Okay, 2